Hello student, good morning all of you. So today I will complete the first chapter, okay, computer fundamental. So computer fundamental. So student, in the last period you complete the some topic from the previous class, yes, but today we will complete the about computer fundamental. So in this chapter, you know how many topic? So first, so that first introduction, and second your topic is what is computer. What is computer? And third, your topic is evolution of computer. Evolution of computer. And fourth topic, generation of computer. Generation of computer. And fifth, your topic is component of computer system. Components of computer system. And sixth topic, advantages and disadvantages of computer. Advantages and disadvantages of computer. And that's last topic is computer ethics. Yes, so here are many topics for knowledge related to the computer. First, introduction. Second, what is computer. Third, evolution of computer and generation of computer, components of computer system, advantages and disadvantages in computers, and last, computer ethics. Okay, so I will take one by one topic. So first, introduction. Almost student, not almost, I think every student, yes, know about the computer. What's the role of our life of computer? So that means today we can see the computer in every field, such as school, office, hospital, etc. Any places. So and almost everywhere. Yes. So computer had become an integral part of our life. So most of our daily activities either involve the use of or depend upon the information derived from a computer. Yes, so we can say that nowadays mostly people depend on the computer So just like at home or will on the road, people use computer to manage schedule and contacts, listen to voice, mail message, balance check, books. Yes, so pay bill. So here many field for is the computer. So next things is computer have become a source of entertainment. So we can play game and listen to music, watch the video, yes. So read books and magazines, share stories, so research and genealogy, so retouch photo and plan vacation. So computer are a primary means or local and global communication. So you know global communication from which software that just called Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. Yes, this is a global communication software or apps. Yes, so the field of computer is an involving technology, yes, and any other field. So this is a introduction of computer. Yes, and next thing, what is computer? So a computer is an electronic device, so that work very fast. Yes, student. So a computer works under the instruction given by me and you. So it can accept data as input and manipulate the data according to a specified rules just called process, and then after process we get result as a output. Yes, student. So let's have a look know about data and information. So next things, what is data? So I have no more space, so erase the topic, okay, and I will take new terms, data and information, from the next second topic. What is computer? So data and second things, information. So information. So you know, student, so data is a collection of facts, figure and statistics related to an object. So data can be processed to create useful information. So data is a collection of facts. Just example, data is the raw material to create information. So just like I type that he is going to school. Okay, student? That's example. So this is your data. Okay? So this is a collection of information. Yes. So, and what is information? So information is the output or solution. So in other words, the manipulated and processed form of data is called information. You type any data just called letter or number by the keyboard. So that data goes the process and you get the result as a information. Yes. So this is a information. And what information processing cycle? So that's called IPO. Information processing cycle, information processing cycle, that's called IPO, student. Yes. So what is IPO? IPO, that's input, and input data go for processing. So that means P processing, and after we get result. Sorry, student, one wrong here. Process and processing. Okay, student. So then after output. So input, which device used for input? So that's keyboard, and then after mouse. So here are two most important and very famous, we can say that. So these two devices are very famous for the input and process in CPU, and then after we get result as output. So you know where monitor and printer. So here are same thing with output. So monitor and printer is very famous devices. Okay, student. And next, illusion of computer. Illusion of computer. How became a computer in front of me and you? So illusion of computer. Okay, student. So that means computer is a versatile machine, you know well. So that can do arithmetic as well as non-arithmetic. Yes. So the concept of counting started with the existence of human being. The early man used to count with the pebble, stick, and stone, etc. Something this type material. So, but day by day changing with our calculation style and method. So first machine developed for the counting abacus in 16th century. Yes, student. So abacus is a first calculating device, and this machine invented by China. So you know abacus. So this type. And this machine divided in two parts, horizontal, and with one parts two movable wheels, and same thing with the other parts, 5 movable wheels. This type machine, yes, sliding up and down for counting purpose. And next machine, and this machine is developed by China. So this is Chinese. Okay. And second Napier bones. Napier bones. Napier bones. Same method, but this is a different machine. So here are same rectangular box and 8 movable wheels. So Napier bones invented in 1670, and this machine invention by Scottish mathematician Sir John Napier. Okay, student? Yes. And third, after Napier bones machine, the past line machine, and then third, fourth. So this machine past line invented in 1642, and then after very most important person of the computer field, Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage invented two type machine. First, different engine and analytical engine. So analytical engine, and second, difference engine. And Charles Babbage is called father of computer. Father of computer. Okay, student. So Charles Babbage को जो है फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट. एंड देन आफ्टर Charles Babbage machine, that tabulating machine, okay student. So tabulating machine invented in 1890, and this machine used for the census counting in USA. Yes, this machine used for the census counting. Counting purpose in which country? USA, United States of America. Yes, Susan. So this is a different machine, and our mathematics solution and our work is easier by this machine. Okay student. And then you know what is the first computer. So your first computer is Mark 1. Yes. So this is a very big size. Yes. And many equipment built in this computer, something 7 lakh something, and height length is too big. And just weight, I will talking about the weight. So 5,000 something, so too big computer. Okay. And then after fully digital electronic computer is ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC and UNIVAC. So UNIVAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. Okay, student. This is the full form of ENIAC. So please learn that full form of ENIAC and UNIVAC. So, and universal and computer. This is a full form of universal. Universal, so integrator, numerical, electronic numerical integrator and computer, and this is universal automatic computer. Yes, student. So, and the next main things, generation of computer. Generation of computer. Mostly students know about the generation of computer. So generation of computer. So computer are classified into 5 generation. Okay. So yes, let's study about the each generation individually. First generation. What's the duration of first generation? Student, 1946 to 1958. 1946 to 1958. And second generation, 1959 to 1964. 1964. And third generation, 1965 to 1970. And fourth generation, 1971 to present. And then fifth generation, for fifth generation, present to beyond. Okay, student. So here are 5 generation explained, and this is the period, that means duration. How many duration for which generation? So first generation 1946 to 1958, and second generation 1959 to 1964, and third generation 1965 to 1970, and fourth generation 1971 to present, and fifth generation present to beyond. So first generation, which component is that? So vacuum tube used in first generation, and second generation, that is vacuum tube, and second generation is transistor. And second IC, integrated circuit, and fourth silicon chip, and then is microprocessor, that means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Yes. Okay, student. First generation use the vacuum tube, and second generation use the transistor, and third generation IC, and second generation silicon chip, and this is a fifth generation use the artificial intelligence. Okay, student. So this is a duration of generation, and day by day implemented in each generation of computer, and became a smaller than to previous generation computer. So, and next topic is components of computer system. Component of computer system. So I think that mostly students know about the component. Yes, input devices, output devices, and system unit and storage. So this is a input devices, second output device, and third system unit, and fourth storage device. Yes, devices, and fifth communication devices. So here are many type components of computer. Okay, student. So I will discuss with this topic, and ahead next other topic. Okay, so the next class. Okay, so today is sufficient for you. So please read the all topic at your home, and please help by your book. I know that all of you have a book, so please read the all topic. Thank you so much.